The doorbell camera has become a staple form of modern-day entertainment. The idea of having a camera operating 24/7 right on your doorstep is fantastic. However, not everything that camera captures you'll be wanting at your doorstep, especially if that thing is called Karen. Well, in today's video, we're looking at all the times Karens ding the wrong doorbell and end up causing chaos. Let's jump in. After spotting some political signs in her neighbor's yard, this bored Karen decides to spark an argument, stating the signs will cause a civil war. The enraged Karen leaves only to come back later with proof that backs her up. To be more specific, Section 5.20?
You cannot have that up in this neighborhood unless you want a civil war. Hey, listen to me. You cannot have political signs in this neighborhood. So I don't care what you saw. You reach your neighborhood association. I will put Trump signs in the neighborhood.
Hello, can I help you?
I want to talk to you. This is Elba. I want to show you something.
I'm sorry, I can't come to the door right now.
Get out your neighborhood bylaws. It's section 5.20. No signs shall be in the yards. If you don't take this Harris Biden down, yes, I will sue you. I'm right here. And I was going to have you sell my house, but that's not going to happen now, and you're going to lose a lot of business because of this crap. You get out your neighborhood association bylaws, section 5.20.
This low IQ delivery driver is delivering a package when he notices a pride flag on the property, so he decides to leave a package of his own. Unbelievable. That's it. This crazed Karen sets a new world record for how many times a doorbell is pressed in a 3-minute window, all because she's annoyed about a little cat who's watching her. Try and spot him.
Oh.
Open your door.
What do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
What happened?
Answer the door.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Well, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem
door.
pretty angry. I really don't want to open the door unless you calm down.
Open the door.
I'm sorry. Who are you? Can you just tell me if something went wrong or if
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is something wrong. Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this house.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet. If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved because I am fed up. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house. Keep your cat. It's your cat. I've already met your husband about it. It's your cat. Yes, you do, and you don't keep any of them inside. Keep your cat inside.
This sticky-fingered Karen is caught red-handed by a doorbell camera, stealing all the candy so no one else can get any. The Karen in this next clip has a long history of harassing the family whose doorbell you're about to watch from. But because they share a walkway, the family can't get a restraining order, so they have to put up with stuff like this.
Why are you taking pictures of my things?
What?
Yeah.
I can take pictures on here. What's wrong with you?
Those are my things.
I can't take pictures. That's
Well, I'm also going to tell you that you're not allowed to speak to my daughter or be around her from this point forward. And if I catch you trying to be around her when I'm not around, I'm going to get you in trouble.
Catch me. Catch me at it.
I've already seen you do it, Anita. You got mad and you said some very out of the line things, and I don't appreciate that. And if my daughter would have heard that, you would have been such a horrible person for that.
Call your other daughter. You got stuff to talk to her about.
Anita, you need to have your family come talk to you because you have some serious problems. You have no respect. No respect.
Are you really going to talk to me through your thing?
Well, I'm just making sure you don't ruin more of my stuff, Anita.
Aw yes, pounding on your neighbor's door and shouting loudly down a doorbell. That's a surefire way to stop the dogs barking.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
No, I've listened to your dogs bark every minute of every day for 2 years. You come out and talk to me. Hi.
Two neighbors go head-to-head through a doorbell camera now, and things get aggressive, passive-aggressive, as they hit back at one another about all the things they've done which has annoyed them. Who do you think won?
Neighbor, I was really excited when I saw you putting your rugs out on your own furniture yesterday, and then when I came across my fence, once again, you have no respect after I even threw them on the floor. So here's a really fun joke for you. Why do they call them Karens? Because they don't have a f***ing care in the world. Stay off the fence. Ready? Some candy. Here for some sweets.
I'm glad you threw them over the fence, so I had to wash them again. Took longer to dry. They just stay there longer.
After getting into a little altercation on the road, this Karen follows a man home because she's still not happy about him cutting her off, but she wasn't prepared for his angry mother who was waiting for her.
I just slam on my brakes because you sat around me in a very short period of distance.
You know what this is?
I know what that is, and I have been. I've been driving since before you were born. Right side of you. Before you were born.
So okay.
Yes, I saw the merge lane, and your job is to merge safely, and you did not.
And that's your fault.
No, it is not my fault.
Yeah,
you are driving your car.
Right, and you're driving your car. I do well.
Yeah, I'm driving it very well.
Were you?
Yes.
I don't know about that.
All right,
Aunt.
You almost caused an accident.
Anthony, that's enough.
What happened?
And she followed him home.
Because of you. Okay, so why do you think it's safe for you to follow someone home? Because he needs me home. He laughed. When I told him, he laughed. No, she decided. He laughed. I'm in the merchant lane. I'm in front of her. She decided, okay, wait a minute. I am a mother. Okay, but you have to come to my house. First of all, and stay in my house, causing issues. Get the f*** now. You're causing issues here. Karen, are you serious? I am not Karen. Get that phone out of my face. Karen? That's not my name. Really? You act like a Karen? You don't follow somebody's